Now, one thing that KuCoin is also known for is that they have a very good trading bot, which is basically able to trade for you 24/7, fully on autopilot, and you can also customize all the settings. So let's go ahead and look at the trading bot. So let's go to trade right here and then click on trading bot. So here we have some different bot types. So there's the grid bot, which basically means you want to buy low and sell high using a specific grid that will trigger the trades. Then you have a futures grid bot, a smart rebalance bot. This is pretty cool as well. So for example, you can say you want to have 50% Bitcoin, 50% Ethereum. And whenever that ratio changes, you can just use that bot to automatically rebalance your portfolio based on a specific percentage change or based on a specific time frame. Then you have the DCA bot, which stands for dollar cost averaging. So there you could, for example, say, the bot should buy Bitcoin every single week, no matter what the price is. So then you can just even out the price and you just invest without any emotions. And then you also have the infinity grid bot. So on the right side, you have some rankings, and there you probably think this is crazy. Like, how do they get so many percent gains on using this bot? So these are annualized returns. So if some bot makes like 10% in a single day, then they will calculate it as if this bot would make 10% every single day. So don't let yourself be thrown off by these numbers right here. This is definitely not realistic to get those returns. So let's look at some of these bots. So we're going to go to spot grid bot first, which again tries to buy low and sell high. And basically makes some profit through the volatility of the market. So here, let's click on create bot. And then you can see we are on the auto tab, which basically means that KuCoin will just set all the parameters for you. You can also go to customize right here and then just type in the parameters that you want the bot to use. You can also click on fill AI parameters, and then it will just take the parameters of the auto function, but you can still change them right here. So here, the bot will basically create a grid between 27,000 and 50,000 US dollars. And at specific grid lines, it will just carry out trades and tries to, again, buy low and sell high. So then you have the number of placed orders. Now, by default, it is set to 100. Now, personally, I would reduce those because you have to think about that you will pay fees every time you carry out a trade on KuCoin. Obviously, KuCoin wants to make money, so they want you to make as many trades as possible. Personally, I would probably reduce this to maybe something like 30. And as you can see right here, when it's at 100, the estimated profits with the fees deducted is 0.3% to 0.69%. However, if we reduce this to, for example, 30, the estimated profits increase to 1.4% to 2.69%. So obviously, the more trades you do, the more of your profits will be taken by KuCoin itself. So I would just reduce the number of trades right here to like 30 or something. And then we want to type in the amount of investment that we want to put into this bot. The minimum amount is $1,000 US tether right now. I could also do more, as you can see right here. So we could just start with 1,000. And then there's also some additional settings right here that you could look at. But once everything is set up, you just click on create right here. Then you have to confirm. And once you click there, the bot will basically start running. And you can also stop the bot at any time when you want to. Let's click on confirm to just see how it works. Now we can see that the bot is being created right here. And this just shows you an overview of what your investment is, your total profits or your losses, and also how many trades you have left in this specific day, and then the price range that the bot is trading in. Now, I'm just going to leave this running for now, and I'm probably going to do an update video in the future of how well this bot is doing. So make sure you're subscribed to see the results of that bot. So then let's go back to the other bots and just create another one. So this time, let's go ahead and create a smart rebalance bot. This is also really cool. So we're going to click on create bot right here. And then there's specific portfolios that are already set up for you. So you could just go through these right here and see if this interests you. This is basically like a crypto ETF where there's a bucket of many different cryptos. But we could also just click on customize right here and then create our own portfolio. So let's say I want to make a portfolio with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'm going to click on add coins. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin right here. I'm going to go to Ethereum as well, click on confirm. And here I can either click on buy market cap, and then it will just define the ratios based on the market cap of these coins, or I could just do it manually. So let's say I want to have like 70% Bitcoin and 30% Ethereum. Then I can click on confirm, and then I could just type in the amount that I want to spend on this rebalancing bot. So let's say I want to spend $100 tether, and I could also go to optional. And what I would do here is go from buy coin ratio from 1% to probably like 7 days, 14 days, or 28 days. Because again, every time the rebalance happens, you will carry out a trade and there's going to be fees involved. And again, KuCoin wants to make money, so they want you to trade as much as possible. But let's say you want to rebalance every 2 weeks. So I'm just going to click on 14 days. And then I'm going to click on create. So then every time your Bitcoin and Ethereum price will move, and let's say, for example, at one point you will have 40% Ethereum and 60% Bitcoin, then after the 14 days, it will just sell some Ethereum, so you have 70% of Bitcoin again. So this is basically what this bot will do. And then if I click confirm, we go back to this running page where we can see an overview of all the bots. But I'm not going to do that now. Now let's look at the next one, which is the DCA bot. This is the dollar cost averaging bot. So let's click on create bot right here. So again, the DCA bot, the dollar cost average bot, will basically just keep investing in a specific coin that you choose at a specific rate. So let's say over the next year, I want to spend $10,000 on Bitcoin, but I'm really worried that I will get a very bad price. So what I can do is I can say, okay, each month I want KuCoin to automatically invest like $1,000. So that way I'm not like emotionally invested in my purchasing decisions, and I will just even out the price over the next year. So here you can say invest every day, invest every couple of days. Apparently you can do 2 weeks max. Again, I would just do 2 weeks. Or 1 week, because every time you do a trade, there will be fees involved. Then date of first trade, first investment. So let's say this will be 15 minutes from now, or at, let's say 5 p.m. And then the amount per investment, let's say $100. All right. And then we can also go to optional profit target, which is going to leave everything as it is right here. Click on create, confirm. And now I have created a second bot, the dollar cost average bot, which every week at 5 p.m. on a Tuesday, you'll just spend $100 on Bitcoin.